if 500 is the multiple of 100 that is closest to x. Okay, first of all we need to decode such lines. So this is a question in which we need to understand that how exactly the approximation, the rounding off to the nearest multiple of 100 happens. Let me just quickly explain the very basic of it. For example, if I have a number, let's say 240, then the closest multiple of 240 will be 200. If I have a number 248, then the closest multiple of 100 to 248 is again 200. But if I have 249, that will again be 200. As soon as it becomes 250, that means the closest multiple of 250 will become 300. That's the rounding off that we need to understand to answer this question. Here the question says that 500 is the closest multiple of 100, is the multiple of 100 closest to x, which simply means that the value of x has to be anything greater than or equal to 450 but less than 550. Remember, 550 is not included and 450 is included, because 450 when rounded off to the nearest multiple of 100 becomes 500, but 550 will become 600. Therefore we can go up to 549.99 but not 550. Okay, similarly 400 is the multiple of 100 closest to y. Likewise, y will have range that is equal to 350, greater than equal to 350 and less than 450, because anything less than 450 will be closest to 400 when approximated to the nearest multiple of 100. The question is, which multiple of 100 is closest to x plus y? Now we have to use the statements to answer the question. Let's look at the first statement. The first statement says x is less than 500. That means the decisive range of x will be less than 500, greater than equal to 450, while y remains as it was. That means from 350 inclusive to 450. Now if we add them, the range of x plus y will be less than 950 but greater than or equal to 800, which means if it is 800 then it will go up to 800. If it is slightly less than 950 then it will become 900. That means inconsistent answer, because x plus y, the value of x plus y, the closest multiple of 100 of x plus y can be 800 as well as 900. Therefore the first statement alone is not sufficient and option A and D here can be eliminated. Now let's check the second statement. The second statement here says y is less than 400. Now the range is only curtailed for y here. That means y can be anything from 350 to 400. X can still be from 550 to 450. Therefore x plus y can be anything less than 950 and greater than equal to 800, the same range as we got earlier. That means it will be 800. On the right extreme it can go up to 900. Therefore again the second statement is not sufficient and B option also can be eliminated here. The next step is combining the two statements. When we combine them, then we understand that the range of x is this, the range of y is down this, according to the first and second statements respectively. So the range of x plus y will be 500 plus 400, that means less than 900, and greater than or equal to 350 plus 450, which is 800. That means it can become either 800 or even if it become 899, the closest multiple of 100 will be 900, still inconsistent. Therefore we say that even after combining the two statements the information is not sufficient and the answer becomes option E. Thank you so much.